Hello guys. Kumusta kayong lahat? Ito na naman ako, si Neil. Live again dito sa Create Money Machine Club. So, yun, may mga nag-request na kanina ng dalawang stocks. The first is MJC at yung pangalawa is yung NOW Corporation. So, yun guys, yan ang magiging coverage natin for today. At before that, batiin ko muna kayong lahat ng magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi. So, to all Filipinos at all parts of the world, kumusta kayong lahat? At kumusta yung preparasyon natin para sa Kapaskuhan? I hope that yung iba sa inyo ay nag-i-enjoy pa rin at hindi nagiging homesick kahit hindi makakapagbakasyon for the Christmas. But anyway, so ganyan tayong mga Pinoy, so we are very flexible on this kind of things. Even if we are far from our families, we are really very strong. We have a strong personality. So yun guys, I hope that somebody will join on this live session. Pero kung yung mga hindi man makakapanood nito ay pwede nyo itong balikan at mapanood ulit via this FB Club at pwede rin itong mapanood sa aking YouTube channel. So just type my name on YouTube and then you will see my latest videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you will always be updated about my latest uploads. Alright guys, so before anything else, tingnan muna natin yung US stock market kasi just 40 minutes ago nag-open ito. So nag-open yung bell. So far mataas ngayon yung buying on the technology sector pati yung services. Pero yung healthcare naman medyo around 70% selling. Yung financial mga 60% buying. So far Apple is up, Facebook up, Micron, Alibaba, Digital Power with 30.87% just for now. That's really how volatile is the US stock market. So 31% guys, that's really very high. Pero just for your info, itong percent na to ay nangyayari pa lang on the pre-market. Kahit before pa nag-opening yung bell, mayroon nang bumibili at nagbebenta. So once nag-open na yung bell, agad yan magpa-pop up na 30% agad. So kung ikaw ay maswerte na natamaan mo yung isang company na maganda at saka sa pre-market pa lang ay nag-skyrocket agad yung price, edi naku po, talagang Christmas na kompleto na yung Christmas mo. So yun, Nvidia is one of the companies that I'm investing, pati yung eBay. So ito yung dalawang companies na naka-hold ako. So far yung last one is American Airlines where I got around mga 10% gains within 3 weeks. So okay na rin. So swing trade yung ginamit ko kay American Airlines. Pero medyo nang hinayang ako kasi nang may benta ko ng $49 per share, umangat pa hanggang 51. So mukhang nang hinayang ako dun. Pero anyway, naka-profit naman ako. So okay lang. So ito namang eBay, medyo mabagal yung usad kaya nag-consolidate at the moment. Although up ako by around 3% but this is not yet enough profit. Kasi dito sa US stock market medyo may kataasan yung transaction fee. So kailangan medyo maka-profit tayo ng mataas-taas para ma-cover din natin yung transaction fee. So imagine guys, every transaction ko dito is $15. So pag magbaya ko ng company, that's $15 at isell ko naman $15. So $30 agad. So kailangan medyo mataas talaga yung percentage of profit mo. So hindi pwede dito yung okay lang yung day trading kung talagang malakihan yung capital. Pero kung medyo average lang or below average, medyo kailangan nating i-swing yan. Kasi, first, meron tayong full-time job. So, hindi natin magagawa yung day trading. So, swing trading talaga. So, yung maganda yung swing trading kasi hindi mo kailangan yun palaging titingnan at saka hindi ka magpapanik palagi dahil bababa tataas yung presyo. So, yun. So, AMD 1.72%. So, Bitcoin investment, pero hindi ito yung Bitcoin ha. Ito yung company. Bitcoin Investment Trust. Talagang everyday, mayroon itong record na 10% above always. Usually everyday. Nakikita ko to na green palagi. Mga 10% above. Mayroon naman ditong Finisar, 26% up. Wow. PayPal holding, almost 2% up. Pero may mga down naman like Helios and Matison, negative 34%. So, yun. So, marami pang iba pero hindi ko na yun i-cover. So, yun. Matingnan nga natin kung may mga nanonood na sa atin. So far, wala pa naman, unfortunately. So, anyway, yun. I will cover now the first company, which is the Manila Jockey Club. So before that, guys, I would like to let you know that nowadays, December, medyo I allocated 30% of my fund for swing trading. So usually, I really do midterm investing in the past months. So since ngayon, December, alam niyo naman pag December, maraming expenses tayo. Especially sa Pilipinas, maraming kailangang regaluhan. Magpapadala sa family. So, yung pera talaga is papalabas. Kaya I decided to somehow 30% of my fund or my capital for swing trading. So, yun, para at least mabawi ko yung mga expenses for this December. But on January, back to normal naman ako. Mid-term investing pa rin. So, yun nga, kaya yung weekly stock updates ko, medyo hinahaluan ko na ng mga 1 or 2 companies per week for swing trading. Kanina nga, yung CLC, talagang na-anticipate ko yun na mag-skyrocket, pero medyo mababa yung entry price ko, kaya hindi tinamahan. So, nag-up ito for today at around 7%. Pero bumaba naman, bumalik hanggang 4% na lang during the closing. So sayang, pero anyway, that's life. Alright, so Paulo Landicho is already in this in this live FB watching. So hello sa iyo dyan, Paulo. I hope that you are doing great. So yun, ito yung request ni Paulo kanina, yung MJC. So MJC at a 1-hour chart, it is still uptrend. So kung makikita mo sa chart, it's still the last price. It is a buying candlestick, so green. It is sitting just a little bit above the 50-day exponential moving average, which is very, very good. Actually, this is lying at the support. So, yun, this is a good opportunity to buy kasi nakikita ko din yung MACD na soon there will be a buy signal. Pero yung CCI nasa baba pa, so kung medyo umakyat itong CCI ng konti, ma-approach sa zero, then may buy signal tayo dyan. So RSI naman, it's just in between the oversold, overbought. So ngayon, pag umakyat ito, that is a sign na aakyat naman yung price ni MJC. So So if I will be the one who will enter to this company, I will just put my buy order at the support. So bakit ko nilalagay yung support? I mean yung price dyan kasi this is the safest way to get out also. So yung risk natin magiging maliit kasi pag nasa support tayo at ilagay natin yung cut loss natin just below that, then we will just have a small loss kapag kailangan nating mag-exit. So yan, MJC is still uptrend. So kailangan yung MJC mag-hold above 5.4. Now yung cut loss ko naman na may sasuggest is 5.32. So although pwede mo yang ilapit, but from this 1 hour chart, 5.32 is the one that I am suggesting. But yun nga, so yung cut loss is actually depending on the risk tolerance of the trader. So pwede mo yang i-adjust. But cut loss must be somehow below the 50-day exponential moving average. So yung kanina nagtatanong about cut loss, this is one way to find out how to set your cut loss. Cut loss should not be too near or too close to the support, but not too far. So always remember your cut loss point is actually the risk that you are taking. Kapag mataas yan, meaning to say, willing kang malugi at that level, that amount. Pero pag nilapit mo naman, kakainin lang yan ng market fluctuation. So, buti nga at sa Pilipinas, wala tayong automatic stop loss order. So, kailangan nating mano-mano yung stop loss. So, kung automatic man yan, like for example, sa broker ko dito na ginagamit for the US stock market, pag ilapit mo masyado yung stop loss, kakainin lang yan ng market fluctuation. So, makikick out ka agad sa trade at wrong time. So, kaya kailangan nito ng tamang posisyon na hindi masyadong malapit at hindi naman masyadong malayo. Actually, it can be also calculated, but you need to know the indicator called average true range. This is the way how to make it more exact. So, mayroong rule dyan. So, about that naman, meron akong ginagamit na rule dyan at pag gusto mong matuto about that, then you can avail to my stock mentoring online or my recorded session kasi tinatalakay ko yun dun ng mas detalyado. Alright, so for MJC, it is still uptrend. If I am the trader, I will still buy, but I will buy at around 5.5. So whatever it takes, even if the price will go up, I am not willing to buy at the middle. I always buy at the support. Whatever it takes. Kahit mag-skyrocket pa man yung, wala akong pakialam dyan. Kasi what I always prioritize is the level of risk. So for me the upside is just the effect of how I set the risk. I mean the buying price. So that's why kahit nag-skyrocket man kanina yung CLC, I don't really care. So what I really care is that I am positioning my order at the support. This is the key. Kasi pag mag-skyrocket man yung price at hindi ka nakasakay, what is the effect? Hindi ka nakasakay pero hindi ka naman nalugi. Pero pag hinabol mo naman yung price at saka biglang lumiko at naging downward yung trend, dun tayo nagkakaroon na ng losses. Kasi sometimes mahirap mag-cut loss, lalo na kapag medyo matataas yung or napakabilis ng pagbaba ng presyo. Like for example, for MGC, just in one day, matataas yung candle agad. Talagang halos 1.5 peso per share agad yung binaba just in a 30 minutes trade. Kaya naipit ako dito. Actually, I was with this MGC. I bought it at first was 6.3. Kasi I found a triangle, kaya si Paolo siguro nakasakay din dito. Pero yung cut loss dapat is around 6.21. So hindi nakapag-exit si Paolo kasi napakabilis nga ng ng pagbaba ng presyo. So that was unfortunate. So anyway, nandito naman tayo. So ano naman ang gagawin natin? So yun, ang actually ang ginawa ko is that nabili ko ng 6.3. Hindi ako actually I should have cut loss but kaya nga napakabilis ng baba ng chart. So inabangan ko naman sa 5.8. Pero nagtuloy-tuloy pa hanggang 5.5. So yun nag-close pero bumalik sa 6.0 pero nagbentahan naman kaya bumalik agad at ngayon ay nasa 5.62 na lang yung price which is still at the support area. So this price is actually still good for buying but again I would buy at 5.5. Right? So cut loss ko naman is just below the EMA 50 which is around 5.3 or 5.4. Right, so that is all about MJC. So by the way, my target price would be 6.51. If it would be broken, that would be nice. Pero the most practical target here is number one is 6.0. The second is 6.51. Right? So I hope that it helps. So tingnan natin kung mayroon bang nanonood. Alright, so yun, may mga nanonood na. Okay. Maynard, hello Maynard, how are you? Kumusta ka? Merry Christmas. Okay ba sir yung AGI? AGI, actually, one of my recommendation for stock updates is AGI. But for this week, AGI was not included because there are still other companies which are better than AGI. But AGI, first, it's fundamentally good company. So it depends. What are you planning? Are you planning for a long-term investment, mid-term investment, or trading? Kasi iba yung approach natin kapag investing at saka trading. So Paulo, yes, welcome Paulo. I hope that it helps you. Melchor, okay, now, yes. Okay, Merry Christmas then, Maynard. All right, so Melchor, let's tackle the Now Corporation. So as far as I know, this is all about broadband internet, etc., etc. At saka medyo nag-speculate yung iba na baka ma-include may role na gaganapan si Now for the third telco company in the Philippines. Pero hindi pa klaro, wala pa tayong mga news na ganyan na may involve si Now. But so far, pag magkaroon tayo ng info, i-update ko naman dito sa page sa club. Alright, so now let's analyze Now. Alright, so yes, Now. Okay, if I start to look at Now at the one-day chart. And as far as I know, nabili mo si Now, Melchor, nabili mo si Now at 3.15. 3.15 is basically the resistance. At saka alam mo naman yung rule natin that buy only at the support price. So this price, okay, ayaw kitang sisihin pero what I want to correct this that we really should not buy at the resistance unless there is a possibility for breakout. So from this one-day chart, it's totally the resistance level, meaning selling will really happen there. At yun nga, nagkaroon ng bintahan, matataas yung candle. There is even an attempt to break out, pero it was price rejected. So it's very visible from the one-day chart. Ang hahaba ng candles, red candles. So yun nga, this is an indication for selling. So bumagsak. The price now is at 2.7. But the 2.7 is actually the support price. It was a resistance before, but now a support. So the price is lying there. So, but still, this is still in general. If you are looking at Now, it's like going sideways. But if you just look at a smaller part from November to December, this is still uptrend. So kailangan mag-hold ni now at a price above 2.65. Failure to hold that price, that would be disastrous for now kasi the next support will be 2.52, and if it won't bounce there, the price will go down as low as 2.19. So kaya abangan mo yung now. Again, the price should hold above 2.65. Pag mag-hold yan, and if more buyers will come, next target price is 3.15, which is actually your buying price. So mag-break even ka lang dito. So kapag hindi yan mag-break dyan at magkaroon ng price rejection, I would suggest to sell now. Sell not now, but later. Joke. Alright, so by the way, there is a resistance na that now corporation will face. So the first resistance will be at 2.95. So before going to 3.15, there will be a resistance at 2.95. Now, MACD looks good kasi medyo yung momentum downward, medyo nag-break. At saka yung momentum is still at a general trend. It's still pointing upward, which is good. So there is a possibility for bouncing at this level. So, but if I will be a buyer here, for now, I would buy at a price at 2.7, yes, or lower. So 2.7 or 2.67. So that would be my buying price, and my cut loss would be around 2.65. Alright, so yeah. So CCI, no buy signal yet. So kailangan talagang mag-antay muna. For RSI, it is still going up. So this is a good sign for this stock. So right, so yun. I hope that the guidance helped you. So tingnan naman natin yung 1 hour chart kung may makikita tayo. Okay, so from a 1 hour chart, the momentum is still down, going down. So no sign of reversal. So pati yung CCI at RSI, no sign of reversal. So medyo magantay pa tayo. So yung kanina na tinatalakay ko is a 1 hour chart. So pag magantay ka mga around 1 week, 3 days to 5 days, may makikita ka ng direction nito kung magbabounce ba or magpapatuloy pa yung downtrend. Magda-downtrend. So pag bumaba yan sa sinabi ko kanina, the price na below 2.65, then exit ka na for now if you are just trading. Pero kung you are investing, I would not I don't really do cut loss kapag nag-i-invest ako. Pag long term, no cut loss. Pero pag mid term, I have a cut loss. But itong cut loss na 2.66, malayo na yan. Medyo malulugi ka talaga nito. So it's like you are giving away your money to others, or donating it to the charity, which is not good. So always remember, rule number one in investing is never lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. So that is Warren Buffett's advice. All right, so I hope that it helps you, Melchor. All right, so yun, that's all for today. So I hope that everybody is doing well. Thank you for listening, and until next time naman na FB Live ko. Thank you very much.